Plant FAQs. Colocasia Maui Gold. Colocasia Maui Gold. Your guide to the vibrant elephant ear. Hi, Ferbu here, and I'm obsessed with Colocasia Maui Gold. This tropical stunner isn't just another pretty face. It's a conversation starter with its luminous chartreuse leaves and bold presence. But before you rush out and grab one, let's delve into the world of Colocasia Maui Gold. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is Colocasia Maui Gold? Colocasia Maui Gold, also known as the Royal Hawaiian Maui Gold, is a cultivar of the Colocasia esculenta species. This perennial boasts large, vibrant chartreuse green leaves with a hint of yellow, making it a standout in any garden or indoor space. It forms a tight clump of upright stems, each topped with a magnificent, arrowhead-shaped leaf. Is Colocasia Maui Gold easy to care for? Absolutely. This is a great plant for beginners. Maui Gold thrives in bright, indirect sunlight or dappled shade. Water it regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not soggy. It prefers warm temperatures and high humidity, making it an ideal choice for indoor spaces with good air circulation. How big does Colocasia Maui Gold get? At maturity, Maui Gold can reach a height of 4 feet with a spread of 1 to 1.5 feet. Its compact size makes it suitable for container planting or accenting shady corners of your garden. Can I grow Colocasia Maui Gold indoors? Yes. Maui Gold flourishes indoors as long as it receives enough indirect sunlight and consistent moisture. A humidifier can be helpful to maintain the desired humidity level. Repot it every spring into a slightly larger pot with fresh, well-draining potting mix. Does Colocasia Maui Gold flower? Technically, yes. Maui Gold produces inconspicuous flowers on a the modified leaf at the base of the plant, but they are not very showy. The real star of the show is the foliage. What are some common problems with Colocasia Maui Gold? Maui Gold is a relatively low-maintenance plant, but there are a few things to watch out for. Overwatering. This can lead to root rot. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can be occasional problems. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control them. Lack of sunlight. Stretched, pale leaves indicate insufficient light. Move your plant to a brighter location. Is Colocasia Maui Gold poisonous? Yes. Like other Colocasia varieties, Maui Gold contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be irritating if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. What's the difference between Colocasia Maui Gold and other elephant ear plants? There are many Colocasia cultivars, each with unique characteristics. Here's a quick comparison. Alocasia Black Magic, dark, almost black foliage with a metallic sheen. Prefers more shade than Maui Gold. Caladium White Christmas, stunning white and green variegated leaves. Needs more consistent moisture than Maui Gold. Colocasia Black Coral, deep, burgundy black leaves with a contrasting green midrib. More cold tolerant than Maui Gold. Where can I buy Colocasia Maui Gold? You can find Maui Gold at many online retailers and garden centers. Look for healthy plants with vibrant green leaves and sturdy stems. Additional information. Winter dormancy. In colder climates, zones below 7B, Maui Gold goes dormant in winter. The leaves will die back, and the corm, underground bulb, goes into a resting phase. You can either store the corm indoors in a cool, dry place with some peat moss, or bring the entire plant indoors and keep it barely moist. Propagation. Want more Maui Gold magic? You can propagate it by division in spring. Simply dig up the corm and carefully separate the smaller offsets. Repot each division in its own container and care for them as you would the mature plant. Companion planting. Maui Gold pairs beautifully with other shade-loving plants like ferns, hostas, and impatiens. Its vibrant color also creates a stunning contrast with silver foliage plants like Dusty Miller. Toxicity to pets. While not fatal, ingesting any part of Colocasia Maui Gold can cause mouth irritation, vomiting, and diarrhea in pets. If you suspect your pet has eaten the plant, contact your veterinarian immediately. Final thoughts on Colocasia Maui Gold. Colocasia Maui Gold is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a low-maintenance, visually striking plant. Its bold foliage adds a touch of the tropics to any space. With a little TLC, this beauty will thrive and reward you with its year-round presence. So, are you ready to add a touch of Maui magic to your home?